is amazing. There's so many little tips and tricks that can make your trip smoother and even save you time, money and stress. After 2 unforgettable trips to Japan, I've put together these must-know travel hacks to help you travel smoother than a bullet train. As soon as you land, grab an ICOCA or Suica card right away. These rechargeable IC cards will become your new best friends.
First card, use on the train and even on the bus.
No more fussing with single tickets.
Just tap and go.
If you're planning to travel between cities, definitely look into the JR Pass before your trip. For long-distance bullet train rides, it can save you a ton, especially if you're covering multiple regions. To navigate easily, rent a pocket Wi-Fi, get a SIM card, or download Google Maps for offline use. We tried offline maps and still got lost twice. But honestly, getting a little lost in Japan sometimes leads to the best adventures. If you're ever really stuck, most big malls, Starbucks locations and some 7-Elevens offer free Wi-Fi to help you out. Japan's streets are impressively clean.
By the way, where is the rubbish can around here?
But public trash bins are surprisingly rare.
As you can see, they even have the sign say, please bring your garbage home.
A smart move is to carry a small trash bag in your backpack. When you need to toss something, just pop into a convenience store like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, or Lawson buy a snack, and you'll blend right in. Speaking of convenience stores, they're amazing. Whether you're craving an onigiri, a bento, or a late-night dessert, you'll find affordable and tasty options 24/7. Honestly, they became our go-to spot for quick meals, and we love their smoothies.
To have their food and drink half of the price from the restaurant. That's so good.
Want that iconic Fushimi Inari photo without the crowds? Head there early in the morning or later in the evening. You'll skip the crowds and the heat.
A little tip here, if you want to feed the deer
in Nara Park,
you have to let them bow first.
Let them bow first, and also
feed the deer a bit deeper into the park instead of near the entrance.
Find a place where it's quiet and few of them, and you can feed and enjoy touching them, and so nice.
So when you feed some deer, they're very aggressive, and plus they can smell very, very well. They have a very good scent of smell, and I think you can see because of their poo here, you see? So we know where they are. It's just that there's some baby deers. You can't pet them, but they're very gentle when you feed them. They're very gentle and it's nice. And also there's like some who like to bite people, and that's what I don't like. They bite too much, they hurt you.
The deer are calmer and less pushy, and the experience feels more magical away from the hustle. Even though Japan is super high-tech, cash is still king in many places, especially at temples, small shops, and older ticket machines. Always carry around 5,000 to 10,000 yen in small bills to avoid awkward, sorry, card not accepted moment.
So bring empty water with you. So in Japan, they have fill up the water here. You can fill up the drinking water. It's free. Everyday park, they have it. Thank you, mate. Arigato.
Here's something I wish I'd known sooner. Most tourist spots have cute little stamps you can collect to remember your trip. Just bring a small notebook and start stamping. It's free, a fun activity for kids, and surprisingly satisfying for adults too. If you're not used to high-tech toilets like I am, Japan's can feel like stepping into a spaceship. One useful tip: the button labeled sound just plays a flushing noise. It's for privacy, not actual flushing. Also, always carry tissues, as not every public restroom provides toilet paper. If you're planning to try an onsen, a traditional Japanese hot spring, pack a small towel. Most places don't provide them. And remember to wash up thoroughly before entering, keeping your towel out of the water. Lastly, if you're spending over 5,000 yen in a single transaction, show your passport for tax-free shopping. We got a great deal on a Canon camera and some games at Yodobashi in Kyoto, cheaper than back home. Japan is full of surprises, and with these tips, you'll feel more like a local than a tourist.
By the way, what is your favorite Japan trip? If you have any tips and hacks, leave it comments.
I'd love to hear your stories.